Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. Really lovely to see you here once again. So if singing and having a great time with your voice is your thing, please do join us every weekday at 1 o'clock to have lots of fun with us. And you can of course join us from wherever you are, whether you're at home or at school, with your family or on your own. It's really lovely to see you. So I've got a good song to start us off today. It's all about fruit. It gets a bit silly, and then we're going to have some fun with the words. It goes like this. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 So let's try that. My turn first. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Brilliant. I'm going to sing those two lines together this time. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Brilliant stuff. So we're going to twist the vowels of each of these words like this. So if we were to sing an A vowel, all the words would sound like this. A-lick-tay, eight, apples and bananas. A-lick-tay, eight, apples and bananas. Shall we give that a go? Off we go. A-lick-tay, eight, apples and bananas. A-lick-tay, eight, apples and bananas. Brilliant. What about if we did an E? E-lick-tay, eat, apples and bananas. That's it. We sound a bit Scottish, I think, don't we? Let's give it a try. Off we go. E-lick-tay, eat, apples and bananas. E-lick-tay, eat, apples and bananas. Brilliant. What about an I this time? I like tie, apples and bananas. Wow. Off we go. I like tie, apples and bananas. I like tie, apples and bananas. Let's go on to O, look, toe, oat, apples and bananas. Off we go. Oh, look, toe, oat, apples and bananas. Oh, look, toe, oat, apples and bananas. Last one, let's do an ooh, look, to, oot. Off we go. Ooh, look, to, oot, apples and bananas. Ooh, look, to, oot, apples and bananas. And let's have one last time with our proper words. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Well done, everybody. That's given our faces quite a workout, hasn't it? Well done. Brilliant. So let's carry on warming up our voice and let's take it on a little bit of a journey. Imagine you are a snake sliding through the grass. That's it. You can make that as loud as you like. Absolutely. A bit more. Has he stopped? So no, he's carrying on. Brilliant. And he's just seen a bee and he's going to try and catch it. But the bee is far too fast. And flies off far too far away for the snake to get at it. And so the snake goes off and slithers away. That's it. And then there's a little puppy in the corner who's seen it. And he's a little bit frightened. He's a, can you try that? He's very pleased when the snake slithers on past him. And the little cat nearby as well comes to comfort him a little bit. She's a very kind cat. Meow. Meow. Can you try? Meow. Meow. Oh yes. And the snake slithers on into the next field where the horse sees it and gallops away. Neigh! Neigh! Join in with me. Neigh! 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 And he warns the sheep in the next field. Neigh! Neigh! Who all go bah! 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 And run off away from the snake. And finally the snake reaches the jungle and he sees the chimpanzees who see him first and go up into the trees and far away, and they sort of almost laugh at him really. Can you try that? Absolutely saying, no thank you snake, you're not going to get us today. And finally the snake goes through and sees the big gorilla. Oh, 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 how resonant can you make your ohs? Oh, 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 oh. That's it, the snake isn't getting anywhere near. Well done, everybody. So just by telling that little story, we've warmed up our voices really well. And I think it's time now to try our tongue twister from yesterday once again. Can you remember those words? They were Popocatépetl, our volcano from Mexico. Can we try that word? Popocatépetl. Let's try Popocatépetl. And then we had copper-plated kettle. Copper-plated kettle. Let's try them both together in a scale. Off we go. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle, coming down. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle. Brilliant. So I think it's time to add two more. They are hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River. Yes, let's try those two in a scale together. Off we go, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, coming down. Hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River. So let's try all four together. Let's just speak them through first. We have Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River. Off we go. Popocatépetl, copper-plated kettle, hippopotamuses, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, Popocatepetl, copper-plated kettle, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, Popocatepetl, copper-plated kettle, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River, Popocatepetl, copper-plated kettle, hippopotamuses, Mississippi River. Well done, everybody. That is a tricky tongue twister, isn't it? So our song today is also from Africa. It's called Keelie and it comes from Ghana. And it means, come on everybody, come out and play and let's have a really good time. Here it is. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. So, you'll be pleased to hear that this is a call and response song at the start. So I'm going to sing the first part and then I'd like you to answer me back with yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo mi no swe. Brilliant. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Great stuff. Here we go. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. And then we're going to sing all together. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. So can you hear we've sing mo pako mi no swe 4 times. And the third and fourth time we add in an O to join them together like this. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Can we try all 4 together? Off we go. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Once again. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Brilliant stuff. So when we sing it next time, let's add in a clap as well, like this. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Do you notice that I've got 3 claps and then a rest? Let's try it. Off we go. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Mo pako mi no swe. Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Lovely. Let's go from the beginning. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. Keelie makole, mo pako mi no swe. Yeah, yeah, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. 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 Oh, mo pako mi no swe. Brilliant. Thank you so much, everybody. That was some really great singing today. I think I've worked you quite hard. Thank you so much for being here with me today, and you can join Matt Ruffley tomorrow for a great sing once again. Keep singing those songs, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.